Hey, how you doing? Austin here. This video is for entertainment purpose only. I am not a financial advisor. We're going to talk about Dogecoin, guys. We're going to talk about when is Dogecoin going to go back up? Why has it dropped so much? I did a video last night basically explaining the reason that Dogecoin has dropped so much in the last about 14 to 16, 20 hours. I will link to that video at the end of this video so you can check it out. I did a very in-depth analysis. I'm going to recap some of that in this video as well, because in talking about when is Dogecoin going to go back up, we have to talk about why it went down. Okay, and so we're going to discuss all that, and we're going to overall just have a discussion related to the overall crypto market and what is going on. It is shorting action that I absolutely hate, and I'm actually really choosing my words very carefully here, because I feel much strongly than the word hate related to people and institutions and companies that short stocks, crypto, etc. I can't stand them, and again, I'm choosing my words very carefully here. Okay, this is a G-rated channel. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to look at why Dogecoin has dropped so dramatically. Okay, I'm going to give you proof of that. We're also going to look at the trading view chart, look at how much it has dropped, and we're going to talk about in the long run, when do I think that Dogecoin will go back up. I'm going to tell you guys up front, I don't have a crystal ball. I can't tell you, but there is some data that looks to that can kind of guide us. Okay, and all of this centers around, guys, Bitcoin and what happens to Bitcoin. We know that what happens to Bitcoin and Ethereum usually what is the same thing that happens to Dogecoin, and that's absolutely playing out. So here we go. We're just going to take a look at the whole landscape. All right, so we have to start here. We have to start looking at the current price. It's 31 cents, down 13.59%. But what I really want to point you to is this right here, something you probably don't usually look at. It's volume. Volume has increased in the last 24 hours. Volume has increased 132.65%. And if you look at the 7-day chart and you look at how we started to drop, see how the red line started to drop, but also look at how the volume started to go up. Okay, this volume that is going up is companies, individuals, hedge funds, etc., shorting Dogecoin. They are betting against Dogecoin going up. They do not want Dogecoin to go up. When Dogecoin goes down, people and I'm just going to say people and hedge funds, etc., that when they short it, they make money on it going down. Okay, that's the deal. Again, I really hate shorting. Period. Again, choosing words very carefully, okay, because I want to say worse things than that. All right, so that's what's going on. Again, it's volume, and the volume is all bad volume, okay, effectively. All right, if you look at the overall crypto market, if we refresh this, if you look at what's happened in the last 24 hours, you can see it. Look, Bitcoin, I said this last night, I predicted this last night, Bitcoin is going to continue to drop. I'm going to show you why here in a minute. Bitcoin in the last 24 hours is down 11%, Ethereum down 13%. Look, Binance down 14, Coin down 14%, Cardano down 14%, Doge 13, XRP 12, Polkadot 16, Uniswap 17, ICP 20%, Chainlink 18, 16, Polygon down 17, VeChain 20%. The overall crypto market is being pulled down. I mean, look at the charts. Look at over on the right. Look at these 7 days. Look at the charts. Everything. Look at how almost everything at the exact same time, guys. This is important. Please listen to this. At the exact same time, right here. Look at the 7. Look at this right here where my cursor is. Down, down, down. But look at the exact same. They all happen the exact same time. Why is this happening? Okay, it is happening because Bitcoin and the major cryptos like Ethereum, well, all of them, Cardano, everything are all being shorted right now. Okay, look at the Dogecoin chart. I mean, look at this. It's absolutely crazy. Look at how much we've dropped in a period of about 24 hours. I'm also going to point you out. I'm also going to point you to these large candlesticks right here, right here, right here, right here, and these three right here. Large candlesticks like that, where you get a long body of a candlestick. that is institutional money. That is hedge funds. That is people that are shorting it, okay? When you get a long candlestick, okay? Small movements like this, see how right here? Like these, this is retail money. This is individual investors like us. That's it, okay? This is institutional money. Hedge funds pushing Dogecoin down. All right, here's the proof. And it's happening in everything. You go look at it, Cardano, XRP, you can see it, it's happening. Here's the proof of this. This is a website called datamish.com. Go over there, check it out yourself. I have it on the 90-day chart because you need to see this, okay? I covered this in depth last night. I'm going to cover it a little bit here, but we're also going to talk about when do I think Dogecoin's going to go back up. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at this. Okay, I'm going to show you this. Price of Bitcoin right now is 31,905, guys, and 901, and I think we're going to hit 30,000, and we may go below it. I mean, it's dropping as we see it. Look at that, it's dropping. The people that are long, still dropping. Ugh. The people that are long. There's 45,311 long positions in Bitcoin. These are people that are wanting Dogecoin, wanting Bitcoin to go up. What does Bitcoin have to do with Dogecoin? Bear with me. There's a point here because the fact of the matter is, in crypto, you've got to look at Bitcoin. You got to look at Ethereum because they set the stage. Where they go, the rest shall follow. Okay, that's what's happening. So these are people that are long. Right now, look at the shorts. There's 6,813 average shorts right now. These are people that are betting against Bitcoin. There's also people betting against Dogecoin. Same thing. There's shorts action going in there. I don't have a chart like this that I can show you for Dogecoin. On Datamish, you can see the ones that they have right here. Litecoin, Ethereum, etc. Okay, so again, green and red. Here we go. This chart represents exactly what we need to look at, okay? So the green line represents the long positions. That's the 45,312. The white line is the price of Bitcoin, and the red line represents the shorting action. Notice what's happened here. You need to go back. Around May 17th, you see how the red line started to ramp up, and it hit 11,376 people on May 17th, started to short Bitcoin. And look at the price. Look at the white line. Look at the little dot on the white line. See how it's dropping, and then the shorting stopped or backed off a little bit, and the price continued to go down. Okay, that was pressure, shorting pressure, and it just pushed it all the way down. And then Bitcoin continued to fall, hitting a low of 32,776. By the way, with another minor spike in shorting. We roll along. Bitcoin's moved around, up and down, but trading in a relatively narrow band, 35 to 36, 37,000. And then what happened yesterday, June 7th through June 8th, we got another spike in shorting. People coming in, hedge funds coming in, shorting this. And look at the white line. The white line dropped again. And notice it dropped again after. Notice that after the spike happens, the red line. Notice the red spike. Notice how Bitcoin continues to drop after the spike is over. We're not even done with the spike yet. We've still got 6,000 plus people spiking it. The shorting action hasn't stopped. Okay, so the shorting action really began. It spiked up on June 6th. Today's June 8th. So we're in our second day of the shorting action, and the price is continuing to go down. My point to you is look at history. Look at after the spike was over around May 17th, how the price continued to fall a little bit, volatility. This is where we come back squarely to Dogecoin. Because Bitcoin's being shorted, Dogecoin's being shorted, all that's happening, we very well could continue to fall a little bit, guys. This is not FUD. I am not spreading FUD. I am bringing you the bottom line facts. This is what is going on. When will Dogecoin go back up? It'll go back up when the damn people, I feel more strongly about it than that, and institutions and hedge funds stop shorting it, and we get a break. When the people that are betting against Dogecoin and betting against the entire crypto market stop, we will probably have a period of rest, and then we can start to kind of go back up again. That could be a week from now. It could be 2 weeks. We could be 3 weeks still kind of in this narrow band right here. Okay, that's the bad news. The good news is that when shorting happens, it tends to happen into the entire sector. I've seen it happen in tech stocks, in EV stocks, large cap, small cap, etc. I've seen that happen in stocks. What happens is the shorting action comes in, it stays for a little bit, and then it goes away. It moves on to another sector like tech or whatever it may be. Right now, we're in the middle of it. Dogecoin will go back up after this is done. It will. There is nothing inherently wrong with Dogecoin. There's no negative bad press that's happened. This is a direct corollary, a direct result of this massive shorting action that is happening to the entire crypto market. Okay, let's flip it. It's an opportunity. I said in my video last night, if we hit around 30 cents, I may buy some more. Okay, I'm a long-term believer in Dogecoin. I'm a long-term believer in Bitcoin, Ethereum. So this is a fire sale, guys. It is what it is. If Ethereum hits around $1,900, $1,800, $1,900, I'm probably going to buy some more of that. This is me, not investment advice. Bitcoin, I mean, if it goes down below 30,000, I may buy a little bit more Bitcoin. Some others that I love. I mean, Cardano. I'm a huge fan of Cardano. XRP, I'm a fan of. Let's see, Litecoin I'm a fan of as well. I mean, Litecoin's down massively. It's crazy. Polygon, you guys know I'm a major fan of Polygon. I love Theta, VeChain, Ethereum Classic. If I didn't mention one, doesn't mean I don't like it. Polkadot, I like Polkadot. It just means I haven't, quite gotten my feet underneath me in that particular crypto. There's 10,000 plus cryptos out there. It's insane. Guys, this is what's going on, and I just want to let you guys know. So I'm here for you. I'll continue to keep you updated. Just don't sell. Stay where you're at. Not investment advice. Sell if you choose. I'm not selling. I'll see you later.